stuck with the Windows Storage Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Quickly resolve Windows Storage Library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Windows Storage Library, the primary localized library for modern Windows storage management. It provides localized APIs for file handling, virtual disk input-output, and storage property sets, mandatory for the OS to resolve any localized file storage manifest. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Windows Storage Library DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Windows Storage Library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Windows Storage Library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For structured configuration management, the optimization software referenced below includes Windows Storage Library-related documentation. To keep Windows Storage Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.